If you want to create a secured and protected Gmail account, then keep watching till the end of the video, as in this video we're gonna see our step-by-step process to create it. So yeah, without wasting time, let's get started. You can create your Gmail account in 3 ways. You can create it through Chrome browser, or through YouTube, or through the Gmail application itself. In this video, we are gonna create Gmail account through the Gmail app, as this is the most easiest way to create it. Open your Gmail application. If you are opening the Gmail app for the first time, you will see this interface. Now click on the create account option. You will see 2 more options under it. One is for my personal use and the other is for my work or business. Select the first option and now enter your first name and surname. The surname isn't compulsory, so we can skip it. Now at the bottom right corner, click on next. Now enter some of your basic information like date of birth and gender, and click on next at the bottom right. Now Google will automatically suggest 2 Gmail addresses. After creating your account, if you want to log in by entering your Gmail ID, then select one from the suggested accounts, and if you want to log in with your phone number, then click on use mobile option. Here I'm gonna select one from the suggested Gmail accounts. Now click on next. The next step is to create a strong password. Strong password means it contains letters, numbers, and other special characters. Then click on next. Next you see this interface. Scroll down a little bit and click on yes, I'm in. Click on next again. Now you will see Gmail privacy and terms. Scroll down a little bit and click on I agree at the bottom right. After completing these basic steps, now it's time to complete the security settings. At the top right corner, you will see the Gmail account profile picture. I'm in the first letter of your Gmail address, so click there. Now just below your Gmail account, click on the Google account option. From here, you can customize your Gmail account just like the other social media accounts. So click on the personal information option and click on the profile picture icon to change it. Now at the bottom of the page, click on the Add Profile Picture. Here you will find some pre-designed graphics for your profile picture, and you can select any one of them, or you can import from your own phone storage too. To import from your phone gallery, click on the Device Photos option. Now click on the Browser Take option in the middle. Again you will see 2 more options at the bottom, Camera and Media Picker. Select the Media Picker option to import photos from your phone gallery. Here I've selected one from the pre-designed graphics. Now click on Save as Profile Picture at the bottom. Now after setting up your profile, go back and click on the Home tab. Here you will see an option to add your recovery phone number. So click there. Now to add your phone number, first you have got to enter your Gmail password and click on next. Now click on the recovery phone number option. By default, the country will be selected automatically. You just need to enter the phone number and click on save. Now go back. From the Home tab, scroll left a little bit and select the Security tab. Under the Security section, you will see some security recommendations and click there. Here you need to verify your phone number, so click on Verify. Again you have to enter your Gmail password and click on Next. Your phone number will be automatically set there, just click on Next. Next you will get a 6-digit code number. Copy that code and paste it here and click on Next. Your phone verification is successful. Now click on Done. Next go back and scroll down a little bit and click on the 2-step verification to turn it on. You have already added your phone number and verified it, so there's no need to add any number again. Just scroll down a little bit and click on Turn on 2-step verification. Now enter the same phone number again and click on Next. You will get a 6-digit verification code on your phone. Just copy and paste it here and click on Verify. Now your 2-step verification is successful. Just click on Done. Again scroll down a little bit and click on Enhance the browsing for your account. Now enable the safe browsing by clicking here. Again you will see this interface and click on the Turn on option at the bottom right. Now all the security settings are enabled for your Gmail account, and your account is totally protected. Thus you can create a Gmail account and make it secure. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like, and if you want to watch more of this kind of helpful videos, then do subscribe to the channel.